Another great way to make money online is to create and sell your own digital products. Things like ebooks, video courses, coaching programs, software, and the like can be hot sellers. The formula to this is 1. Find a demand. 2. Create a solution for it. 3. Set up a system to sell that solution. And 4. Drive traffic. And like affiliate marketing, there are 100 different ways to do each of these 4 points. I know that's killing you guys, but really there's lots of ways to do all of this stuff. Finding a demand is considered niche research. Creating a solution for it is called product development or product creation. Setting up a system to sell your solution means building your marketing system, which consists of your sales page and the rest of the pieces that help you sell your product. And of course, drive traffic means, well, drive traffic. I, for one, love this model. It's the model I follow and has made me millions in sales over the last 6 years. Is this for you, though? Well, I can't answer that. I'd advise you researching the topic and then deciding on your own. You'll need to study all the topics I told you about above: niche research, product creation, marketing systems, and traffic generation. There are tons of products out there that can help you get inexpensively, that can help you get your education inexpensively, I should say, that are all on you. Places like ClickBank, Pay.com. Just go search Google. You'll find lots of them, okay? Of course, I won't leave you hanging. I want to give you some hot niches to get you pointed in the right direction if this model of making money online is for you. Now, the hottest niches out there are internet marketing. Make sure you have pen and pencil. Here we go, guys. Internet marketing, diet, exercise, pet training or pet raising, gambling, trading or stuff like Forex, and hobbies. Of course, there are a ton more, and each of those big niches have tons of profitable sub-niches in them, like internet marketing. One of the sub-niches in that would be ultra profitable would be affiliate marketing. In the pet training or pet raising, I know that guinea pigs are a huge niche in the pet raising niche, okay? So you can do all this research, find products online that'll teach you to do niche research, pick your niche, create your product, create a marketing system for it, drive traffic to it, and you're going to make money. So now you know of 2 ways that you can make money online. You can promote products for others, or you can create and sell your own products. Now let's switch gears here and talk about making money by providing services to other people.